Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a LinkedIn page and a group. After logging in your personal account, because a page or a group needs a personal account. So if you don't have a personal account, first create one. After having a LinkedIn account, you go on the top right, where it is for business. Click there, you realize there's groups. Okay, if you want to create a group, you go to the group. If you want to create a company page, you click on create a company page. Okay, so let me click on create a company page. You go through a company showcase page, educational institution. So if it's maybe a school or something, you can use this. Let me just choose company. All right. Okay, when after the company, you can name your company and just do that. USA. So here you have to edit the permalink if they're refusing this to be used. Okay, so you can say, can make this to be a bit unique. Okay, let me just have something like that. Okay, so this has to be unique. This can be similar to other page names, but this has to be unique. Website, if you have a website, industry, you can kind of put the industry. Let me choose for website. If there's something like, I think there's nothing like that. So let me choose IT. Group, organization group. Let me choose this. Organization type. Let me say it's sol. And that is it. You can put your logo. You can put all that. Let me verify that. Okay. And I think that is it. Then you create a page. So that's how you create a company page. Okay. So we're going to see how you can create a group. All right. So, okay, now it's created. So let's create a group. You go to business, click on groups. When you click on the groups, it will bring this section. If you're in any group, I think these are groups I'm in. So you have to create a group. Give your group a name, a description, specify industry it is, location, put the rules for the people you want to see if they're joining the group, can make it public or private, and you click on create. Okay, I'm not going to do this, but if you creating your group, you can do that. So that's how you can create LinkedIn page and LinkedIn group. Thank you.